PAFA's High School Summer Academy. The first half of the day is like working, and usually it's lessons. Usually it's like an hour of instruction, and then he or she will give us tips.
Pretty much every class we work with references either from photos or like real life, and in sculpture we get to work with live models, which is a really cool opportunity. I didn't really have the opportunity to work too much with oils before PAFA because it just felt kind of like difficult to jump in, and it felt like there was a big learning curve, but I feel like I've been able to expand my mediums for sure. For lunch we have the option, we can either just bring something or we can go, which I like that you have the freedom to also explore Center City.
I like the location of PAFA. It's on Broad Street. We have a lot of freedom to eat lunch and go out. The second half of the day is also working. Digital art, sculpting, and painting.
Tomorrow we're going to have a showcase where everybody's going to be able to show off and potentially sell all of the works that they've made for the past 4 weeks.
I really liked doing the legs because I liked the way that the model was posed. I liked sculpting the hands. I think it turned out pretty good.
This is my favorite piece that I made. I really enjoyed sculpting the legs because I enjoy like the curvature of the muscles.
This is my favorite piece. I really like how the torso muscles are moving, and I like how there's a lot of movement and like angles to the pose.
My favorite part of PAFA was trying the different disciplines. When we came, we were kind of forced in a way to try things that we haven't done before, and that really broadened my scope as to what I felt I could include in my own art.
Well, I would like to say I remember all the friends I made here.
I think that our whole group is actually really close, and we've gotten to know each other a lot better and have been able to collaborate within our art.